Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to pick up where we left off on the last one. So we got the garage doors installed by Pantego. They turned out great. Now we got to make room for all this stuff that's on that trailer over there. Try to do a little bit more organization than what we had last time. I'm going to start, I think I'm actually going to move the toolbox from over there and this rack that was over there on that wall beside it. I'm going to move them on this side of the garage. So I got to start by taking out, where is it? That. That shelf back there behind us. I'm going to take that out. I'm going to put the toolbox probably in the corner. And then that rack against the back wall. I got another shelf that's behind it. I got to take that off the top. So I've got a little bit of stuff to get out the way first. And then we can start moving that stuff over. And see if we can make a little bit more room in here for everything. So stick with me guys, we're gonna get it done. And let's get to it. Alright guys, so what we're going to do here, we got that shelf off the back wall over there. We're going to end up getting some sheetrock done over on that side. We'll just have them patch it up when we get it done. But this shelf, if you see right here versus that side, in order to get it to fit under that garage door over there, I had to take and cut this back some. But I saved the pieces because I figured one day I'd probably move it and then I'd want to add it back so I can make the spacing on the shelves wider. So anyway, we're going to take the welder and we're going to stitch that back together and then, you know, make the spacing a little bit bigger. Hoping I can maybe fit a transmission or something or two on the bottom shelf. Maybe even an engine block. We'll have to see how it goes. But anyway, that's what we're going to do for now. coming together, guys. Still got some electrical to do, but all in all, very happy with how it's coming so far. We managed to get all the junk that used to be in this corner over here. Now we just got like some spare like metal pieces and stuff to fab with over in this corner, but everything else that was on that trailer we managed to get up here on this shelf. So like I said, pretty excited about that. We're getting ready to bring the car around. I'm gonna swap it to this bay over here, so to kind of be by itself. All the tools will be on one side, the car will get to come over here by itself. So like I said, pretty exciting. Make sure you guys go and check out the videos coming up on the channel. I got a lot of cool stuff happening, and getting ready to do a front end kit on this car right here. So all right, guys, so there you have it. We got the car in the bay. Took quite a bit more work than I thought it was going to get it in there, to be honest, but anyway, it's in there. Sweating a little bit now, but yeah, man, the garage turned out pretty nice. I'm happy with it. We still got to do the sheetrock, still got some electrical to do, but all in all, not too bad. Like I said, the doors made it a lot nicer, and then just getting all that stuff up over there and making that bay big enough for the car to go into. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready to try to do this Rock Solid Motorsports front end kit on it. I'm putting the order in for that today, so hopefully it will be here, you know, in the next week or two. I'm gonna have a new welder coming too. I think I'm going to just try the Prime Weld 225. It's an AC/DC TIG. All the reviews and stuff I see online about it, you know, they all say it's got a good arc, you know, good consistent arc, and they tried to run it to the duty cycle, never could get it to cut or trip, so it seems like it might be a pretty good unit. It comes with I think it's a number 17 CK Worldwide torch with it, which is a pretty good torch. To be at the price point it is. It's like an $825 welder. So we got to get that. We got to get the bottle, and then we can get started. So anyway, stay tuned, guys. I appreciate you guys following along on the channel. Comment, like, and subscribe for me if you would. It'd be very much appreciated. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.